Welcome back everyone. Today in this Python short series we are going to see here that how we can just use out the lambda functions commonly with our four of the functions, which was map, filter, sorted and reduce. Till now we just saw the concept of map, filter and sorted. Now just let's try to get the answer for reduce. So reduce is a function which is actually find out within the library of func tool. Okay, and basically if we are dealing out with the list, so it makes a list, I mean performing out the logic, and it converts the list into the single digit result. How can we perform the answer here, I mean task here? Let's just try to get the answer. So we are just going to get the task here that we have been given the list here. We need to multiply all numbers in the list using the reduce function and the lambda function. So first of all, we are going to just get the I mean, within from library func tools, we are going to just import out simply my reduce function. So after that, I am going to have a list here within the nums. Now, what am I going to do here? I'm just passing out few integers here. So what am I going to get the answer? 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 would be 6. So 6 answer would be multiplied out further with 4. In such a manner, a single digit answer I want. Okay. So I can just use out my new variable here, let's say product. Okay. Because ultimately at the end, we just want the answer in of the product of whole all the elements, right? I'm going to just use out my reduce function here. Within the reduce, of course, lambda, because we are like using out this lambda here to understand its use with all the four functions, right? So here I'm going to get my x, comma, y, such that my x would be multiplied out with y from my list of nums. And I'll just try to print out here my product. So if we will just try to run the program, let's just try to get the answer, which is 24. So 2 into 1 would be 2, 2 into 3 would be 6, 6 into 4 would be 24. That's how we received the answer. Reduce function converted the whole list into the single value, right? So this is how reduce function is used out with the help of lambda. We have used out the lambda function xy such that x into y from the numbers list. So yeah, thank you so much.